भारत में आप कहीं भी चले जाएं, हर जगह पर आपको वहां की यूनिक थाली मिलेगी। इनफैक्ट हर घर की अपनी यूनिक थाली होती है।
आप जहाँ जाते हैं वहाँ की थाली में उस जगह के रहने वालों का चेहरा नजर आता है, उनका खाना और तहजीब झलकती है।
पर वो क्या खास बात है जो उस थाली को उस जगह से जोड़ती है? थाली एक अलग और एक अमेजिंग दुनिया है। आइए इस दुनिया को एक्सप्लोर करते हैं ऑन उत्सव थालीज ऑफ इंडिया।
Vanakkam. Today we're in the land of Thalaiva, the great city of Chennai. जिसका नाम सुनते ही जुबान पर इडली, डोसा, वड़ा और फिल्टर कॉफी का स्वाद आ जाता है। दुनिया के सबसे बड़े बीचेस में से एक मरीना बीच, एंशिएंट टेम्पल्स और लुंगी पहने हुए चेन्नईट्स। नो डाउट इट्स कॉल्ड द गेटवे ऑफ साउथ इंडिया। अब चलते हैं माइलापुर, जहां कुणाल टेस्ट करेंगे चेन्नई का नाश्ता। प्रदीप चक्रवर्ती, जो कि एक राइटर हैं और तमिलनाडु में हेरिटेज टूर्स भी ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, ये हमें बताएंगे टिपिकल चेन्नई ब्रेकफास्ट के बारे में।
आपका जो आउटलेट है, इट इज नोन फॉर दो स्नैक और द ब्रेकफास्ट आइटम्स लाइक इडली, डोसा, वड़ा, सांबर। और ये वो सारी चीजें हैं जो सिर्फ हिंदुस्तान में बट इंटरनेशनली एवरीवेयर।
We're world famous now for that, and you can't start at a better place than Mylapore.
Yeah.
And this is one of the best places to have this kind of food,
Yeah.
because it's also one of the oldest restaurants that are serving this kind of food. So we should order something for you today.
I'm very interested and keen to try the sambar of Chennai.
So you'd be interested to note, actually we call it sambar, not sambar. Sambar is probably a dish that was created in Tamil Nadu, in Tanjavur, which is further down south from Madras,
Yeah.
by the Maratha kings.
Okay.
The Maratha kings ruled in Tamil Nadu for a very long period of time, of around 250-300 years.
Okay.
And what is beautiful about their food is they bought Marathi food and they mixed it with Telugu food, which is already here,
Yeah.
and with Tamil food as well.
Yeah.
So sambar is one of those inventions
Okay.
where tamarind was added to dal.
Yes.
And we should certainly try sambar. But the sambar is an accompaniment like chutney.
Yeah.
But the big thing is for dosa and idli and vada.
Perfect.
So let's order for that.
Perfect. Let's do that. ये जो इडली, डोसा, वड़ा, सांबर है, which is very popular in तमिलनाडु, क्या ये थाली पर भी सर्व होता है?
No, I think that's a good question that you asked, because these that we have on our plate are tiffin dishes. You have them for breakfast or you might have them at dinner, because sometimes people don't eat dinner.
मतलब इडली, डोसा, वड़ा, सांबर ये एक
It's a
स्नैक
snack.
आइटम्स है, ये कभी भी थाली पे सर्व नहीं होते।
Except for vadas. Because out of all the things that we have on the plate today, one of the most ancient is the vada. In the Shraddh ceremony, it is the vada that we give for our ancestors. And that's a vada that's not made with a hole in the middle, it's actually filled up in the middle. So the fact that it's available in the Shraddh ceremony means it's been there for at least 1,500 odd years, a bare minimum. This is something that is served with payasam, which is a sweet kheer,
Yeah.
for any auspicious occasion during lunchtime. Well, you know, one of the things about idli and dosa is we are a rice-eating community.
Yes.
And when we have extra rice, if you keep it just as it is, it gets spoiled.
Yeah.
But the way to do it is to turn it into batter and then eat it.
Yeah.
So you'd rather save the food and eat it in a slightly different way,
Absolutely.
rather than throw the food out.
फिल्टर कापी।
So this is called a tumbler.
Yeah.
This is called a dabara.
So मतलब इससे पीना है, इससे पीना है?
No, in this. But there are two ways to do this.
Yeah.
Is this called a dabara or dabara or a dahara?
Okay.
Okay, that's like a boardroom level discussion.
Okay.
But what is important is you can't have filter coffee if you don't have this like this.
Why is that?
Okay? Because just the done thing, it's just the tradition to do it this way.
I love it.
In fact, here it's made out of stainless steel, but the traditional ones were made out of brass. The longer you take it, the more of an expert you are. Well done! That cools the coffee.
I can do this all day.
You do that, you can do this all day.
I got it right. This was hot.
Traditionalists will typically say, don't add chicory to this.
There is no chicory added to this.
Doesn't look like it. And the decoction will be really strong. The milk will be very little.
This is wonderful. Thank you so much, Mr. Chakrabarti. I think जितना fresh और interesting खाना था, उतनी interesting आपकी बातें, and the coffee just stole my heart away.
तमिलनाडु की सबसे प्रॉस्पेरस कम्युनिटीज में से एक है चेटियार्स, जो एक सदियों पुरानी स्पाइस मर्चेंट्स की कम्युनिटी है, जिनका मेजर ट्रेड साउथ ईस्ट एशियन कंट्रीज के साथ था। जहां जहां ये कम्युनिटी पहुंची, वहीं के स्वाद इन्होंने अपने क्विजीन में भी अपना लिए, और ये सभी स्वाद हमें टेस्ट करने को मिलेंगे मैंगो ट्री में, which is a restaurant run by Chitra Ramu, jahan she serves her mother's true blue Chettinad recipes.
So today I'm going to be serving you the Chettinad Thali, and in that we have the Chettinad pepper chicken, which is called the Koli Milagu Masala.
Koli is for chicken, Melaga is pepper, and masala
Yes,
is masala.
yes.
And this pepper fry preparation, whether it's done in chicken or mutton, is it a Chettiar dish or is it a non-Chettiar dish?
No, it is, the pepper is the Chettiar dish, and it used to be the country chicken.
So it used to be more tougher,
Tougher,
to cook, more meaty, more gamey.
And also the flavors. See now,
Very different. So let's begin. So is there a particular variety of pepper that goes inside this dish?
it is from Kerala, and but now it is more from Karnataka.
Okay.
So all Chettiars do have estates and things like that, and so we get our peppers from the estates.
Beautiful.
Start this thing. I'm going to add some few teaspoons of oil. We are going to add shallots, garlic, ginger. You can put all the chilies.
मतलब ये spicy होने वाला है।
Yes.
इसके अंदर जो heat आ रही है वो pepper powder से भी आएगी।
Yeah, there'll be
और
pepper,
green chili भी।
green chili, and the red chili.
इतनी chili?
The pepper will be 2 teaspoons. So I'm adding a teaspoon of somph. Then we have the poppy seeds. See, fennel is a main ingredient in a Chettinad cuisine, if you see. When you have a non-veg, there will be fennel in it.
सौंफ होगी ही होगी।
Yeah. Smell.
Light sauté.
Yeah. All this will be ground into a paste. I have the paste here for you. So now I need some onions. Can you chop them up for me?
Oh,
Just
you want
one
me to
onion.
chop them?
Yeah, fine. So I'm adding some oil.
Okay.
Say about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I can't cut like you.
I can't cook like you.
Ah,
So we're all good. We're all equal. So onions.
onions
they will
goes
go
in first. Yes.
जो Chettinad cuisine है, I think वो काफी influence है South East Asia से भी.
Correct. Yes.
So are there any typical Southeast Asian flavors that become part of Chettinad cuisine?
They brought in certain things like the dried meat, dried vegetables. We use a lot of dried vegetables in the season because
Okay.
Chettinad is a dry area. Now we can add the tomatoes,
Some salt.
little bit of turmeric. So we have the masala. So this will be marinated, but we have to marinate it overnight.
Okay.
So for the flavors to seep into
Seep
the
in.
chicken.
Okay.
So now I have a marinated thing. So now the tomatoes are cooked.
Yeah.
So now we will add this chicken.
और इस chicken के अंदर वो सारे flavors हैं, spices हैं.
Yes, yes. Chettinad cuisine uses the shallots more than the big onion, because the small onion it is not sweet as the thing. So it will not sweeten your dish as much as the big onion.
Big one.
Okay, I'm adding some curry leaves.
Yeah.
Soon as I added, you could smell the curry leaves.
Yeah. Beautiful.
So now this will take another 15 minutes to cook. So let's cover it. In the meantime, we'll get the thali ready.
Perfect.